Vishal Joshi from PDRL. We are India's leading drone tech product company, empowering India's drone ecosystem. Our flagship product AeroGCS has enabled 3 million plus flights and 100 plus drone manufacturers across the nation. So let's hear out from them about our product and their experiences. Thank you.
I have been using the AG++ flight computer and the performance has been outstanding. The system is highly reliable, extremely precise and very stable during the operation. Its fast processing, accurate data handling and seamless integration have been significantly improved our operational confidence. The user interface is intuitive and the overall build quality reflects robust engineering. We are very satisfied with the product and strongly recommend AG++ for agriculture drones. Thank you.
Hello, I am Ashish Vivekar and I work as an engineer here in Nitiraj Limited. We strive to manufacture drones which are reliable, cost efficient and effective. And our mission aligns with PDRL since they are making reliable, cost efficient and very efficient software as well as flight computer. So this is a great companionship between Nitiraj and PDRL. So thank you for making indigenous flight computers and software. Thank you.
Tejas Rajput. I handle and manage all the app-related operations and aero config operations in Nitiraj Engineering. The app is very smooth, stable and easy to use. Mission planning, calibration and live flight monitoring are simple and well organized. The interface is clean, responsive and works reliably during real flight operations. Data handling is accurate and the overall control and feedback during flight gives a lot of confidence to the operator. The app clearly reflects a well-designed and professional ground control system. I am very satisfied with AeroGCS Green and AeroGCS config and would definitely recommend it for agriculture drone operations.